Namaskar Bondhura. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today me, my mom and my dad we are traveling to Alibag from Navi Mumbai. This is our boarding point Kharghar sector 7 and we booked the bus from Red Bus. Let's do the packing. Okay, so we are ready with the things mentioned in the list for Alibag tour. I made a list before 2 days of the trip so that I can take all the things and then pack it. So the important things you can see the list once. So the important things are like safety pins, rubber bands, also the tissue paper, sanitary pad, sanitizer, mask and eatables. Also you can take Happydent, polythene bag if you have vomiting problem. You should always do this thing 2 days or 3 days before your trip because we everyone misses one or the other thing. So if we do that before one day or even before one night, so we can take everything, almost everything. So I suggest you to pack everything 2 days or one day before, or else make a list even, so that we don't miss anything. Also the most important thing while traveling is take medicine, because you can fall sick anytime anywhere, so there should be medicines present with you every time. That's it. Now we will pack everything and also pair up the dresses so that there is no rush before the travel. So let's go. We will pack everything. Hey, now we have to reach the boarding point, so we booked a Uber cab to reach Kharghar. Now we reached Kharghar sector 7 at the bus stop and we are waiting for the bus to come, but the bus isn't there. The timing was 6:48 am. Hi guys, good morning. So हम लोग ने पैकिंग कल रात को कर लिया और फिर अभी वी आर एट दी बोर्डिंग पॉइंट खारघर सेक्टर 7. हम वेट कर रहे हैं. हम लोग का बस का टाइमिंग था 6:48, बट अब तक बस का कोई आता पता भी नहीं है. मैंने कॉल सेंटर को कॉल किया था तो पता नहीं अभी आया नहीं अभी तक. कुछ नंबर वगैरह शेयर नहीं किए. मतलब वी बुक फ्रॉम रेड बस, महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट का बस जो अवेलेबल था, बट मैं तो कब से देख रही हूँ पूना के बस आ रहे हैं, हमारा बस ही नहीं आ रहा. सो वेट करना पड़ रहा है बहुत. अभी तो 7:20 हो रहा है, अभी तक बस नहीं आया, पता नहीं कभी आएगा. सो वी आर वेटिंग दी बोर्डिंग पॉइंट फॉर दी बस. देखते हैं, अभी पता नहीं, कुछ नंबर वगैरह शेयर नहीं करते हैं. और मैं बाकी पैकिंग तो कल रात को ही कर ली थी. लेट्स सी. तो गर्मी लग रही है, मैंने ये स्वेटर पहन लिया. आई थॉट बस में ठंडी लगेगी, बट अभी मुझे गर्मी लग रही है पूरी लाइट. तो लेट्स सी कभी बस आता है. So now I will answer you some questions like why we booked the bus, where and from what. So we booked the bus because we wanted to chill out this Diwali vacation. And from where? That is from Red Bus app. We pre-registered the seats because we do not get seats if we do not book it. So you should always do pre-booking, and we had booked a non-AC bus because there wasn't any AC buses available and the charges may vary. So our bus arrived and we boarded the bus. You can see the scenery. So now I will let you know a few other things, that the bus message, the bus number is not given by Red Bus. We have to just see the route of the bus and board the bus. As it was our first time, we panicked a bit, but after that we boarded the bus as the bus was half an hour late. And now we are heading towards Alibag. Let's see how the tour goes.
and we have taken chas and eatables with us because there is no break in between the bus. And I suggest you all to book a non-AC bus because of the vomiting problem everyone has. So open bus we do not get like the vomiting problem. तो अभी बैठ के देखते हैं कभी अलीबाग आता है, 2 घंटा लगेगा. And then we have 4 hours to roam around. We decided to go to one tourist place and then we will come back because we are not having any time. और जो बताना चाहती हूँ मैं कि हमें हमेशा अपने बस स्टॉप में टाइम पे पहुँचना चाहिए ताकि बाद में प्रॉब्लम ना हो, रश ना हो. एंड ऑल्सो we have to book a front seat always, not a back seat because there is lot of jerking. So we could book that in red bus so we can go comfortably. That's it. See the scenery and things. Yeah, it's so refreshing. After a long time I'm going for a tour. I was bored studying at home and now finally I'm out. Yes. Actually what happened in between is that our bus got punctured and we have to shift the bus. We have to wait in Panvel bus stand, but do not panic. They will give you a new bus in if this case happens with you. Now we reached the Alibag bus stand finally after a long harassment process. We have to fight with the person and then board a new bus. So we are finally in the bus stand and now we are planning to book an auto to go to the nearby Alibag beach because traveling Kashid beach and different beaches are a distance apart. So we have to book a auto and ready with the sunglasses. Let's go! So we boarded a auto and the auto is heading towards the Alibag beach and we will enjoy there like anything. मज़ा आने वाला है आज तो फुल टॉस एंजॉय करना है, ऐसा एंजॉय करना है ना कि अभी अगले विंटर वेकेशन तक कोई कुछ ना मतलब रहे बस. So this is the scenery of Alibag. क्या क्या है यहाँ पे. अब finally we reached the Alibag beach. Finally, after a long traveling, bus, auto, car, finally we reached. See the coconut trees, they are so awesome nature. And then we decided to like roam around, see the things, enjoy to the fullest. एकदम मस्ती करना है, एकदम मतलब बोलते हैं ना एकदम मस्ती करना है बहुत. So my father is having a meeting, so I think he will join us after few minutes or an hour, half an hour. So I and my mom decided to go, leaving my father. He is sitting in the bench. There are many benches. There is changing room even. The changing room is on the other side. You can ask anyone and then go there. That is on the other side, but there is 2 changing rooms. So I and my mom are walking in the sand, hot sand. We are like getting tanned after this, I know. This is the Alibag beach written there. The sky is clear and there are many people around. So see the beach, the beach is really very clean. Now we spread the bed sheet on the sand to keep our belongings and everything and also to sit. You should always carry a mat or a bed sheet kind of thing. Now I and my mom are heading towards the sea and my father is sitting and attending the meeting. He is having a lot of dedication. My mom is enjoying the fullest. And now let my mom click some pictures and shoot the video. Let me also enjoy. भाई हम भी आए यहाँ पे एंजॉय करने या सिर्फ व्लॉग ही बनाते रहे. So see the whole beach. There are a lot of people around and the sea level is also nice, and the thing I observed is the beach is really clean as compared to Juhu and Marine Drive. Like this is very cleanest beach I've ever seen as compared to others. Now let's go into the water. Now we are moving towards the deeper side of the sea. अभी मम्मी थोड़ा पानी वानी के साथ फ़ोटो खींच रही है, वीडियोस ले रहे हैं. कितना सारा वेव आ रहा है. सी दी वेव्स दैट आर सो नाइस. बहुत पानी है. आई थॉट कि कम होगा, बट एज वी मूव्ड इनसाइड टू द डीपर एंड देयर वाज वाटर. नाउ वी आर एंजॉयिंग. नाच गान फोटो पूरा भीग गए. वी थॉट दैट वी विल ब्रिंग क्लोथ्स एंड चेंज, बट मैं उसी में नहा लिया और उसी में हम लोगों ने सब कर लिया. भीग गए थे, सब कुछ भीग गए थे. वी वर ऑल वेट एंड आई जस्ट opened my skirt and I was wearing a shorts inside for getting wet. Now eating time. थक गए थे और खाना भी, भूख भी लगी थी. सो हम लोग सब जुगाड़ करके लाए थे, दिखाया था आपको पैकिंग. सो नाउ वी आर ईटिंग. मेरा स्कर्ट, इनका गमछा कैसे बन गया. अरे 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 वाह भाई वाह. मेरा स्कर्ट एक ने गमछा डाला और मेरा टॉप दूसरे ने भी गमछा डाला है. वेरी बैड, वेरी बैड. और अभी देखो कितनी भीड़ हो गई है. नाउ इट्स माई फादर्स टर्न. मीटिंग ख़त्म और अभी ही इज़ एन्जॉइंग एंड मॉम इज़ सिटिंग, देखभाल कर रही है बिलोंगिंग्स का. नाउ आई एम एन्जॉइंग. सब डांस गान, पानी उड़ाना, पूरी भीग गई, पूरी भीग गई. आई सजेस्ट यू ऑल टू कैरी undergarments, extra undergarments and extra clothes so that you all can change. Wear that inside so that you can open the things above and then get wet and then again wear. There are changing rooms. We were not knowing about this, that there are changing rooms, or even you can go to a hotel room, restaurant and then change in the washroom. That is also can be possible. Let's enjoy. बहुत कर लिया. Now we are getting back to our bed sheet. So we enjoyed a lot. नब्बी एक भेल वाला आया था and we took भेल from him, and the भेल was really awesome. You must try that. Wow, amazing. 30 rupees. And now see the crowd. Also there are hotels near to the beach where you can stay for 1 or 2 days, and we too are doing running competition and I won the match. Actually we had 1 or 2 hours left, so we did that. We also took photographs that cost us 30 rupees for each photograph. So there was different sizes, for that different price was there. We took 2 photographs and now we are roaming. Me and my father is roaming around in the beach, seeing these things. There are many hotels and lodge there, so we enjoyed a lot in the beach. And the good thing about this beach is it is even, like there is no up and downs in the sea, so we can go as much deep as we can. We almost went deep, but the sea was labeled and there are forts in the other side. So that's it. Now we came back and we are searching for a restaurant to eat. There are stalls, but we are not willing to eat there. We want to change our dress in the changing room and also sit and eat something in a good restaurant due to this COVID situation. I was feeling thirsty, so I took a lemonade without ice. Without ice is important because you can fall sick. So that costs me 20 rupees. The lemonade was also tasty. That was refreshing and hydrating. You should always keep yourself hydrated so that you do not uh, dizz around or fall sick. So we finally found a hotel. The hotels there was open and there was no changing room, and even there was no room for washing hands basin. So we boarded a auto to go to Sanman restaurant. That was 5 minutes in auto or bus or auto or car, and 10 minutes for in walking distance, and we was not aware of the place, so we took an auto and we reached the Sanman restaurant. The restaurant is good rated. I searched Google and then we came here. There are many restaurants nearby, but we chose this because the rating was good. We took 2 thalis, one veg special thali. In that, chapati is there, curd, rice, dal, then mixed vegetable, then rajma, then potato something, and chole, also with sweet. And we also took a chicken special thali in which chicken bhakri, sol curry, sweet, chicken rasa, chicken fry, and everything was there. And see this crab, oh my god. Now we ate and I'm tired now, really I'm tired, and we are waiting here because we have our returning bus at 3:15. So we decided to wait here for half an hour or 15 minutes so that we digest the things, because there was seat near the restaurant, so we thought to sit here and eat something like pan or ice cream. So see this puppy, as we were roaming around we saw this. Now we took a pan from the shop opposite, and the pan was really very tasty, very tasty. The third pan cost us 30 rupees. Now we took a auto to go back to the Alibag bus stop, as we were having bus at 3:15 p.m. But now it was just 2:30 and we get back to our bus stand and waited there, as there were many seats available with shade so that we can wait. So our day went well, everything was fine, but during the journey we faced a problem, like the tire got punctured and my father have to fight and talk, and then we thought of cancelling the ticket, but we won't get any refund, because within 24 hours if we do the refund, so we can get our money back, or else 10%, then 25%, or then 50% within 4 hours is deducted. That's it. We were waiting, and then these 2 needy children came asking for food or money. We were not having any food, so we gave them 10 rupees and few coins, and I took a thumbs up to digest the things, as we have to go in bus and I do not want vomiting and stuff. So that's it. Now finally, after a long tour, we reached the place Kamothé, and now we are heading towards the Suraj complex. So the one problem I faced during coming from Alibag to Mumbai was that our bus seats were exchanged. Like we booked the seat in the first place, but we got the numbering at the last. I don't know why ऐसा कैसे हो गया, मुझे नहीं समझा. मैंने पहले सब कुछ बुक किया था 6 दिन पहले, और हम लोगों ने पहले के 3 सीट बुक किए थे, बट पूरा नंबरिंग उल्टा हो गया. वी फॉट विद द दैट ticket person, but nothing happened and we have to sit at the last, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम होता है लास्ट में, जर्किंग बहुत है, वॉमिटिंग प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकते हैं, एक्सीडेंट्स में डर लगता है. सो बट कुछ कर नहीं सकते, सो वी हैव टू सैट एट दी बैक सीट. एंड उसके अलावा सब कुछ ठीक गया. बस का जर्नी उतना अच्छा नहीं था हमारे लिए, थोड़े प्रॉब्लम्स फेस किए जाते समय आते समय. बाकी अलीबाग में तो बहुत मज़ा आया, रियली आई हैड फन. We stopped here and thought to take vada pav for our snacks as we were feeling hungry with tea made by my mom. So we took these snacks और फिर हम घर के लिए निकल गए. फाइनली सूरज कॉम्प्लेक्स आ गया. दिन बहुत अच्छा गया. सो मेरा वीडियो देख के आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट. इट वॉज इन्फॉर्मेटिव. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. बाय. लव यू गाइज.